friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you another haul. So friends, I am always super excited to share my hauls with you all because you give so much good response to my haul videos, and along with that I get so much love from you all. So that's why today I'm going to share with you another haul, and you can see I have kept all the products inside this Nykaa cartoon, this Nykaa cardboard box. You can see. So friends, all the products that I'm going to share with you in this haul, so some of the products that I bought from Amazon, some from Purple, and also some products are from Nykaa. So each and everything that I've got, I have received on different different days, and I have kept all the products in this big cardboard box so that I can share with you. So friends, before proceeding, if you want to enjoy more such type of videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and also hit the notification icon so that you never miss out any of my coming videos, my future videos. And also please give it a like and share if you like this haul. So without wasting any time, let's get started and see what all products I have bought. So let's get. So first, I have bought this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder SPF 28 PA Triple Plus. You can see. So this particular compact I have bought from Nykaa. So in Nykaa there are some good discounts going on. So that's why I have taken this particular compact, and I got this for flat 50% discount. So that's why I have taken this. This is a very good product. I have already reviewed this on my channel as well, and I just love this compact. And this is in a shade 109 light ivory. I already have this compact with me actually, but once again I've stocked it up because I got this on flat 50% discount. So that's why the price is rupees 199, but I got this for rupees 100 only. And this is a really very good compact. It has also good SPF count 28. You can see this is the packaging of this compact. It's written Maybelline Fit Me Compact, and we are getting a full size mirror over here, and there is also a good puff. That is one good applicator given in this compact. It is a very good shade for fair skin tones actually, and I highly recommend, friends, you should definitely try this out. A really very good mattifying, and it sets really a makeup well. So this is my first product. The second product that I've taken from Nykaa is Inside Makeup Essential Mineralized Pressed Powder, and it has also SPF 24, and this is from the brand Inside. So friends, Inside is a really very affordable brand, Indian based brand, and all these products are available on Nykaa. So that's why I thought of buying this and trying this out, and the price of this is rupees 125. So there was one good offer going on, like if you are getting in color products inside products for rupees 349, you'll be getting one lipstick free, creamy lipstick free. The price of this compact is rupees 125 only. We are getting 9 grams of product in this, and friends, this has paraben. Unfortunately, this product has paraben. I was not knowing. And the shade is 01. So this shade is suitable for fair skin tones, and you can see the packaging is like this. It's very tight, I cannot open it actually. So you can see there is a full size mirror over here. So you can see it has a good sponge given in this. This is not an applicator, this is a sponge actually, and it is of really good quality, friends. The shade is like this. It is little bit whitish, but it blends really well. I've tried this for 2 to 3 times, and this is a really good mattifying compact. It also sets makeup well. Friends, the next products that I've taken from Nykaa are these lipsticks, these Inside lipsticks, and I've taken 5 shades. And friends, you won't believe these lipsticks are so affordable. Each lipstick retails for rupees 80 only, which is so cheap. And these are creamy matte lipsticks, and I've also applied one of the shades from this one of the shades you can see, and this is the shade Suit Up Pink. It is a really very pretty fuchsia pink shade, and you can see, friends, it is giving a soft matte look. It is very comfortable, pigmentation is amazing, and definitely I'm going to review these lipsticks and I'll be sharing with you. I have taken 5 shades. The first one is A2 Nude Coffee. Next is A3 Cherry Wine. Next is A5 Selfie Red, A8 Berry Dance, and A27 Suit Up Pink. So you can see, friends, this is the packaging. The packaging is really very good, and see, this is the shade 8, that is Berry Dance, and I'll be showing you the pigmentation over here. So it is a beautiful berry shade. You can see berry or maroonish type of shade. It looks so pretty, friends. These lipsticks are really so good. I just like them so much. So definitely I'm going to share with you the lip swatches of these lipsticks and in-depth review of these lipsticks. So stay tuned for that. So I've got this lipstick of free gift from Inside. This is Inside a trendy lipstick, and this is in the shade Stardust IN27, and the MRP is rupees 140. And this is a creamy matte lipstick is what I know. So this is a red shade actually. You can say I haven't opened the packaging yet. So definitely I'm going to use this lipstick, and I'll let you know about this lipstick. I haven't used it till now. So next I have taken this lipstick, this LE18 lipstick in the shade that is Rust Race P25. These are the LE18 Color Pops matte lipsticks. It retails for only rupees 75. And there was one offer, like if you're buying any LE18 product from Nykaa, then you'll be getting one lipstick free. You can see it's such a pretty shade, a very pretty maroon shade. So you can see this is the shade. It is a very pretty shade, and along with this shade that I've taken, I have got another lipstick as a free gift, and this is in the shade P27 First Love. So this is the pink shade, a very bright bubblegum pink type of shade, and I'll swatch it over here and I'll show you. So this is the shade. So friends, next I'll be sharing with you the products that I've taken from purplle.com. So the first is this Blue Heaven Enriched with Vitamin E and Aloe Vera Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. And this is a set of 30 wipes, and the MRP is only rupees 150, which is super duper affordable. So that's why I've taken these wipes, because it is really a very essential product to remove makeup and all. There was a good offer, like if you're taking 2 products of Blue Heaven, you'll be getting 25% discount. So that's why I've taken this product, and I've got on a very good discount from Purplle. Next I've taken another Blue Heaven product, that is Blue Heaven Eye Magic Instant Eyeshadow in the shade 605. One of my subscribers had requested to review this particular eyeshadow quad, so that's why I've taken this. And this one also I've got on flat 25% discount, and I'm so happy I got on a very good discount. The MRP is rupees 125, and you can see the shades, friends. The shades are really very pretty, very beautiful, but the pigmentation is not very good. It is decently pigmented, so you have to build it up, and according to the price, this product is not bad actually. So the next product that I've taken from Purplle is Isles Goodness Tulsi Toner. And friends, these toners are my all-time favorite. I have used all the variants of these toners actually, literally speaking, and I like them so much. That's why I've taken this, and it retails for only rupees 125, which is super duper affordable. And on top of that, always you'll get good discounts on this particular brand. And this particular toner do work well on my skin. I get instant hydration, and also my skin looks so good after applying this toner. Stay Quirky Love Biting lipstick pencils, and I've taken 2 shades. One is in the shade Bedtime Flirt 2, next one is Wedding Night 1. So friends, already I have reviewed these lipsticks on my channel, so if you want to buy, you can definitely check it out. These lipsticks are really very good. I just love the formula, the texture, everything. Only problem is these are of lip crayon form, so we have to sharpen this, and there is no sharpener given free with these particular lipstick pencils. So that's why we have to take the Stay Quirky sharpener. You can see the packaging is like this, very pretty packaging, and they're so cute, so small. And you can see this is a very pretty maroon shade. So I'll be showing you the pigmentation over here. You can see so highly pigmented, friends. It is like butter, like I'm applying some butter on my lips. It is so good. This retail for rupees 259, and we are getting 2.1 grams of lipstick in this. So next I've taken this Stay Quirky All Eyes on You eyeshadow palette in the shade Add the Sawyer 11. So friends, this is also a new launch from Stay Quirky, and that's why I thought of buying this. But this product, truly speaking, it is not a very good product, and the pigmentation is very low. It is not at all pigmented, and moreover it has a creamy consistency. So it is not going to work as a eyeshadow on eyelids. It is going to crease, and you can see the pencil size is also very small. and it is also not retractable. We have to use the stay quirky sharpener to sharpen this, and from the starting itself the pencil is so small. So when we are going to sharpen, I think it is going to be over some after some 4 to 5 times, and this product is not at all worth buying, and I don't recommend. So I just bought this to review and share my experience, my opinion, so that if anyone of you is planning to buy this, you can decide whether to take this or not. It is actually showing on my hand, but on my eyelids it is not at all showing, and it is a very light shade, and particularly on very fairer skin tones only it's going to be visible. These eyeshadow pencils retail for rupees, it's 235, and we're getting 1.5 grams of product, which is a very high price for the amount of product that we are getting. So along with these three Stay Quirky products that I have bought from Purple, they have sent me a free gift, and this is the Kiss and Tell liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade All Day 8 Day 7, and this one I have received as a free gift. You can see this is a very light sort of pink shade, and this shade is really washing me out, and this shade will only look good on very fair skin tones, even not on yellowish fair skin tones like me. And this one I'm using as a blush actually, and it is really working well as a blush. So I am just applying on my cheeks and blending it really well. And friends, these lipsticks I've already reviewed on my channel, so if you want to buy, you can definitely check it out. The formula, the texture, the pigmentation, lasting power, everything is superb, amazing friends. So that is what I just love. I'm going to swatch it over here friends, you can see. Next I have also taken these two lipsticks from Purple, and this is the own brand of purple.com. I have taken this Purple Shades of Love Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shades Love Struck 1, Movie Date 11. So friends, already I have shared the review on lip swatches of these two lipsticks. These are really very good lipsticks, and these lipsticks are creamy matte lipsticks. They are very creamy, they glide smoothly on lips, pigmentation is amazing, and everything is good. The packaging is also really very good. I liked it so much. This retail for rupees 399, and we are getting 3.5 grams of lipstick in this. And friends, the packaging is bomb.com friends. You can see the packaging is so good. Here it's written Purple, and this is the shade Movie Date 11. The shade number name is written over here on the sticker, and this is the fuchsia pink shade friends. You can see. I'll be swatching over here and I'll be showing you. You can see friends. Very pretty shade. I just loved it so much. And there are so many shades available in this range, so definitely you can pick according to your choice. So now I'll be sharing with you the products that I've taken from Amazon. So the first is this Blue Heaven Brow Pencil and Styler Artisto Eyebrow Definer, and this is a new launch from Blue Heaven. The MRP is rupees 150 only. It's written Artisto Brow Pencil and Styler, and on this side we are getting the eyebrow pencil. You can see it has a slanted tip. It is a very good product. This is a spoolie given on the other side, so after applying the eyebrow product on your eyebrows, you can definitely comb your eyebrows using this spoolie, so that the product is evenly distributed on your eyebrows, and it gives a very natural look. I'm very happy with this product friends, truly speaking. This is a must try product, and this is also now available on Nykaa. I've checked on Nykaa and Flipkart, so if you want, you can buy from those websites as well. So next product is this Blue Heaven Wax Free Eyebrow Definer, and this is in the shade brown, and this is also a new launch from Blue Heaven, so that's what I've taken, and this one also I've reviewed on my channel. And the only thing that is missing is the spoolie. With the Artisto pencils, the spoolie is given, but with this there is no spoolie given, and this is also very less priced. I think the MRP is rupees 75. It also has a slanted tip like this, and it makes application very easy, and this product is also really good and worth the money. You should definitely try this out. Some of the products I bought in August month only, but I have not got the time to set the haul with you, so I'm sharing all these products in this haul with you all. So this is Swiss Beauty Fusion highlighter in the set 04, and this is a very beautiful highlighter friends. Such a beautiful highlighter, and there is no chunky glitter. It gives such a beautiful natural kind of glow, and this is also very affordable. The price is only rupees 299, and always you'll be getting this highlighter under rupees 250. I have also taken this for only rupees 239, which is really very affordable. And you can see the shade, such a pretty shade. You can see friends, So next I've taken this eyelash fixer, eyelash adhesive from Pack Cosmetics. And Pack is also very renowned brand, friends. All the products are really very good, and they are little bit expensive is what I feel, on the higher side, but their products work really well. I always wanted to have a good eyelash fixer because without good eyelash fixers it's really very difficult to work on eyelashes, to stick them on eyelids. Friends, this product is really very good and I highly recommend, and the price is rupees 395, but I got this for rupees 375. There was some discount going on, and you can see it, the bottle is like this, and this the color is actually white. So once it dries it becomes transparent and it is not visible on the eyes or the eyelashes. And if you are thinking to invest in a good eyelash glue, you can definitely go for this eyelash glue. So the next product also I have shown you in many of my makeup tutorials. This is Malio Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is oil free and we are getting 40 ml of primer in this. It is a really very affordable primer. I have taken this from Amazon for rupees 180, which is very affordable. And this is also paraben free and it blots out pores. It also prepares a very smooth canvas for makeup application, and you can definitely try this particular primer, and it is really very good for oily skin. If you are having very oily skin, you can use this primer. So after that I've taken this Pond's for super light gel oil free moisturizer from Amazon. There is so much heat and humidity these days, so that's why it's really important to buy any moisturizer which is really very lightweight and which gets absorbed instantly without giving any oily feeling on face. So I highly recommend this, friends. It is very lightweight as the name suggests, and you can see. So this retails for rupees 149 and we are getting 73 grams of product in this. This is the smallest tub actually. There's also bigger tub available, so you can buy that one as well. The last product that I've taken from Amazon is this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Advanced Repairing Conditioner. So you can see, friends, and this is for damaged hair. I've already used this conditioner so many times and I liked it a lot, so that's why I've taken this. And the MRP of this is rupees 185 and there is 192.5 ml of product in this. So this is a really very good product, friends, and I highly recommend. If you are having hair breakage issues and all, you can definitely buy this. So friends, that's it. These were all the products that I've taken. I hope you enjoyed this whole video. So friends, once again I'll be back with such an amazing video for you all. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye. Love you all.